Here is question 7. It is divide this by synthetic division, state division statement, and any restrictions on the variables. Well, last time we did long division in question 6, and now let's practice synthetic division for our test. Okay. Now for that, I hope you remember, you make a table like this, correct? Now here you can write down your terms. So you have to divide 8x cubed. So we have to write only the coefficients, right? So coefficients, you remember, two are missing here. X squared and x coefficient are missing. So we'll write zeros for them. So we get 8, and this 0 is for x squared, this x 0 is for x, and then we have minus 30, okay? And you're dividing by 2x minus 3. So basically you're dividing by minus 3 by 2, right? So here we get 3 by 2. Because if you put 3 by 2 here, that will make this 0, right? So we have a 0 at 3 by 2. So we'll write here 3 by 2, right? Now, as you know, the process starts like this. That you get this term down, so you get it here, and there you get 8. Now you multiply 3 by 2 times 8, and write the number here, correct? So when you do 3 by 2 times 8, so it goes, 2 goes 4 times, and 4 times 3 is 12. And so you get 12 here. Now what do you need to do? You need to add these, right? So when you add 0 and 12, you get 12. Then again you multiply 3 by 2 by 12, and you get 6 times 3, 18. And then again add them, you get 18. Now you multiply 3 by 2 by 18. So 2 goes in 18 9 times. 9 times 3 is 27. And when you add them, you get minus 3. So that minus 3 is your remainder, right? Now here I would like to highlight one thing. That is, what we really did here was that we were supposed to divide 8x cubed minus 30 divided by 2x minus 3, right? But what did we divide by? We actually divided by 3 over 2, not 2 times. So let me write this as, what we did here was actually 8x cubed minus 30 divided by, let's take 2 factor outside, right? Then you are left with x minus 3 by 2. So what we have done so far is, we utilize this factor 3 by 2, but we have still to divide by 2. I hope you remember that this 2 will divide into these coefficients to write our answer, right? And remainder remains the same. Therefore, our answer for this will be 8x cubed minus 30 is equal to all this divided by 2. So let me write it in 2 steps because of this 2, right? So we say half of 8x squared plus 12x plus 18 minus 3, the remainder, right? So I could write this as, when I multiply half by 8, I get 4x squared plus 6x plus 9 times 2x minus 3. Sorry, I forgot to write this, 2x minus 3. Minus 3. Here I should have 2x minus 3. Right? Divisor into quotient plus the remainder. That's the division statement, right? So divisor into quotient plus the remainder. Remainder was minus 3. So that is my division statement. Okay? Yeah. And what is the restriction here? It is good to write restrictions always. Here they are specifically asking also. So restriction is that x is not equal to 3 by 2. since that will make it 0. Okay, so you can't divide by 0. Perfect. That's how it is. Let's move on to the next question.